In this week's video, we will be rebuilding an old jump line. Here's some videos of the jump line in its current state. Now we just gotta rebuild it. It's gonna be a lot of hard work, but it's gonna be definitely worth it in the end. Let's get to the build. So what I'm doing right here is taking dirt from the landing and putting it on the lip. Right here is where we're going to be putting a landing. I forgot to take a time lapse of the build, but I still got a time lapse of me packing it. Here's the gap. It's about 11 feet, and it jumps really smooth. So now we gotta rebuild this jump. It's gonna be a lot of work because it's the biggest jump on the line. Here it is before it's all packed in. And here's the finished project. It looks great. Now we gotta build a landing because we do not want to jump this thing to flat because that will hurt. It's gonna be a lot of dirt, so let's get to it. There's all the dirt there. Now we just gotta pack it in. Okay, now we just gotta send it. That was the first time I cleared it, and it felt great. Okay, now we gotta rebuild this jump. This jump is not gonna be too big. It's gonna be about the same size gap as the other ones, but it's not gonna be as tall. And it's gonna be a hip jump, so let's get to it. And a huge thanks to my dad and my brother for cutting this bench right here. A lot of this stuff wouldn't get done without them, so thank you so much. Now back to the kicker. It looks great, but we still have to build a landing, so let's get to it. So this is the landing. It's not really much of a landing, but we're gonna make it a lot bigger so it can be smoother and safer. Now this line is done, all we have to do is ride it. But first, let's check out what it looks like before we ride it. The biggest jump is a 12-foot gap, and the smallest one is a 9-foot gap. Now we just gotta ride it. Let's get to it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Don't forget to send it a little harder every time. Peace.